In Eritrea and in Ethiopia, we just entered the year 2016. Happy New Year! But we are not late. You know, it's the West that is always trying to rush things. We traditionally follow the Ge'ez calendar, which is divided into 12 months of exactly 30 days each, plus a 13 months that has 5 days, or 6 every 4 years. The first month of the year is September, not January. Religion, as we said before, it's a big deal in our traditions, and so every year is dedicated to a different evangelist. Therefore, last year it was dedicated to Luke, or Zemene Lucas. This year is Zemene Johannes, the year dedicated to John. Next year it will be Matthew, and the next Marcos, and then on again. You're wondering what day is today in the Ge'ez calendar and what holidays we're celebrating? Better get yourself a calculator or our 2024 calendar. We ran all the numbers for you, so you won't have to.
Culture is cool.